Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Introduction to WordPress series. And in this video we're going to take a look at continuing to develop the theme that we've uploaded and customize it. If you look at here, we've got an error from the theme that's telling us that there's not a Revolution slider, there's not a slider put in place. If you'll notice down here, you've got some example code for editing the theme HTML, and this means either the default header page or the default page, and so we'll go over that in a little bit. Alright, so we're going to create a new slider, and we're going to call it FP feature, and we'll alias it with FP-feature. Alright, and this is the shortcode if you want to use this slider anywhere else in the theme, in a widget or in a page or a post. You just simply put that shortcode in place and it'll bring up your slider. We want this to be a gallery type, and we want this to be auto-responsive. We want this to look the same, or we want this to look good on a desktop as well as all portable devices. Alright, we're going to turn off the unlimited height and the force full width, and we're going to leave minimum height set to 0 because that's going to default to an undefined, and it's going to basically allow the image to adjust as it needs to. Our grid width is going to be 960 by 350, and that is also what we can do to crop our images to make sure that they're in the right size. And if we look over here in Photoshop, I've done that with these couple of images here. Alright, and so we've got 4 different images here, and we're going to go ahead and use all of them. Alright, and so we flip back over here. Now that we've created this slide, you can see this here, this slider section, the outer version is 960 by 350, and then we have a layers grid that's inside of that. Alright, so some interior padding. Alright, so we created the slider successfully, and we're going to edit slides. New slide. Okay, so this is bridge 1. Create a new one. This is Sunset at Pacific Beach, insert 1. Alright, new slide again. Sunset Pier 1. Okay, and we're missing the Sunset Pier 1, so we'll go ahead and upload that one. That's actually the one is the same as that one. All right. Hello. Come on. The machine's running horribly slow tonight. Let's skip that. Okay, they are 3. I do have 3 different ones in here. That's good enough for now. So we'll go ahead, and what we'll do is we'll actually show you where you need to edit the code to enter your slider. This is the line that you're inserting, and if you look back over here, on the slider page, here is your input code. Alright, and we're just simply putting it in place. Alright, and that's in the header file, the default header file for this theme. Alright, so now if we refresh, we should see our 3 slides. Yep. And we've got some random transitions. There we go. So that's the basics of getting a working slider up and running. In the next video, we're going to go over how to enhance the slides, add some transitions back and forth for that layers that are going to go on top of the base images that we're using for slides, and some other tips and tricks. All right, so thanks for watching. Hopefully that was helpful. If you found it helpful, go ahead and click that like button below and give me a comment in the comment section. Thanks again. Thanks for watching.